Hi, my name is Naresh. In this video, I am going to talk about JME module. JME means Java Micro Edition. In previous videos, I have discussed about what is JSC module, what is JWE module. JSC module is the base module for JWE and JME modules. We use JSC module to develop standalone applications mainly and applets. We use JWE module to develop enterprise applications. What applications? Enterprise application. It can be a web application or it can be a distributed application. So now in this video I am going to talk about JME module. So Java Micro Edition officially. Unofficially it is also called as Java Mobile Edition. No doubt it is an installable software as MDK. MDK means Mobile Development Kit. JDK means Java Development Kit. MDK means Mobile Development Kit. Latest version is 3.x, but from so many days they stopped upgrading JME module. I mean, it's a MDK software. Somehow no one is showing interest to use JME module. Alternates have come into the market in the form of Android, in the form of iPhone, in the form of Microsoft Mobile. That's why people are not showing that much interest towards working with what? JME module. It is definitely given to develop mobile applications and micro applications. Let me talk about what is mobile application. The application that can be installed and executed in mobile devices like mobile phone book, mobile music player, mobile games. These comes under mobile applications. Micro application. These applications are small in size but big in performance. Moreover, these applications are attachable with other kinds of devices like mechanical devices, electrical devices, electronic devices, automobile devices. Yes. So these applications are called as what? Micro applications. For example, they attach one software chip to washing machine, and because of that software chip that is attached to washing machine becomes what? Fully automated washing machine. That means it can think and take the decisions. So such thing is called as what? Micro application. For example, nowadays in modern cars, automatic climate control has come. Yeah, for that what they do? They will attach one software chip in the engine along with the AC engine. So because of that, the internal temperature of the car, will be controlled automatically according to the outside temperature. Okay, with respect to outside temperature, the internal temperature of the car will be controlled automatically. So all these applications comes under micro applications. Basically, JME module supports embedded system programming and artificial intelligence. Yes, definitely it supports what? Embedded system programming and what? Artificial intelligence. Let me explain what is embedded system programming. We have two types of programming here: general system, embedded system. General system, whatever we do in C language, core Java, advanced Java learning process comes under general system. You developed one core Java application using 5% resources of your computer. How much? 5% resources of your computer. If you want to run that application in another computer, you cannot take these 5% resources to execute independently. In another computer also, you should keep set up for 100%. Okay, there when you run the application, again it uses what? Only 5% resources of that computer. That means even though it is not using all the resources of a computer for execution, but you should keep 100% system as it is in order to run the application. That is general system. Whatever we encounter in C language, C++, Java, all this comes under what? General system programming. Embedded system is different here. We develop those applications in our regular computer, but later they can be dumped into electronic chips, and these chips can be attached to mechanical, audio, automobile, electronic, this kind of various kind of devices. That means even though they are developed in a regular computer, but we need not to have entire computer during the execution of the application. We can take that application into what? One electronic chip, and we can attach that chip to whatever device we want, and without having complete 100% computer, that application can be executed in various places. This is called embedded system programming. For example, fully automated washing machine you take. They developed one software application to make washing machine to think and take the decisions. That application is developed where? In a regular computer. Later what they have done? They have dumped that application into one chip, electronic chip, and they attached that chip to whom? Mechanical device called, I think washing machine comes under electrical device called washing machine. Once this chip is attached, all the activities of washing machine are definitely controlled. That means we are making washing machine to think and take the decision. How? Once we start the washing machine, how much water it has to consume, how much powder, washing powder it has to consume, how much time the spindle has to be rotated, okay, after how many minutes it has to change to what? Drying mode. Once the drying is also over, giving beep sound, all these decisions will be taken by whom? Washing machine itself. That means it's a fully automated washing machine. That means washing machine is thinking and taking the decision. It's because of what? The chip that is attached to what? Washing machine. So indirectly we are providing artificial intelligence to washing machine, which is an electrical device. Artificial intelligence means what? Human beings are having natural intelligence. Today if you go straight, if wall comes, tomorrow we never go straight because we learn things by experience. But these devices that are there in this world, they don't have intelligence. But I want to see them having intelligence. I want to see them thinking and taking decision. That means I have to add some software applications, software programs, software logics to what? Those devices, so that all activities of those devices can be controlled. For that purpose, we are going for embedded system programming. And embedded system programming main intention is what? Providing artificial intelligence. That's why we say JME module is good for what? Developing embedded system programming that supports artificial intelligence. Sir, what is the difference between electronic device and electrical device? Because you said washing machine is an electrical device. The device that runs with AC power is called what? Electrical device. 230 volts, 240 volts, that kind of thing. The device that runs with DC power, direct current power, that comes under electronic device. 9 volts, 12 volts, this comes under what? Electronic device. And we can say best example for embedded system and artificial intelligence is robots. They are not human beings, but they can still think and take the decision. It's because of what? Okay, artificial intelligence that is added. If you want to develop such applications in Java along with mobile applications, definitely you have to think about going for what? JME module. That means JME module is there to develop mobile application like mobile phone book application, music player, mobile games and other applications. At the same time, we can use JME module to even develop micro application as explained earlier. But unfortunately, it is not suggested to study JME module seriously. Why? Because it is outdated and alternates have come. For example, you take mobile application development. Nowadays, no one is using JME module to develop the mobile applications. They are using alternates, what they are. So, if they want to develop mobile applications in Java, they are going for Android. No, they are looking for alternate. Then iPhone is there, Windows Mobile is there. Then what about embedded system programming or micro application development? For that purpose, they are going for alternate. They are not looking to use what? JME module. There are VxWorks, embedded C, R2S, real-time operating system. This kind of latest concepts have come. Using those concepts, they are going for embedded system programming. That's why, though it is there in Java, but long back it is outdated. So as a student, I never suggest to worry about what? JME module. Okay, fine. Then what are the modules I have to learn to get into software industry? Okay. So, JSC module, JEE module, these two modules are more than enough to get into software industry, no doubt in that. Only these two modules are enough? Yes, enough. But along with that, if you learn framework, definitely it will be added advantage. Now, let me give clear-cut clarity. If you are trying as a fresher, that means 0 years experience, it is recommended to study JSC module and JEE module, but you have to study JSC module completely and certain topics of JEE module you have to study. But if I talk in a like non-technical language, you have to study core Java, advanced Java, Oracle kind of database software. You can learn any database software, but it is suggested to learn Oracle. Why? Because most of the Java projects prefers using Oracle as their database software. That's why. Okay. This is for fresher. If you are trying to show 1 year experience, you have to learn freshers topics plus one framework is minimum. And I suggest to learn Spring as that framework. Right. If you are showing 2 years experience, freshers topics plus 2 frameworks you have to learn and make sure that you are learning what? Hibernate and Spring kind of thing. Next, if you are showing 3 years, 4 years experience, then freshers topics plus multiple frameworks you have to learn, something like Spring, Hibernate, web services. And one more thing, once you are showing gap as experience in Java environment or you are showing experience, along with these frameworks, you should also learn 2 more topics called Java real-time tools, design patterns. Java real-time tools, design patterns. There are multiple tools, they will be used along with these technologies and framework as part of project development. As part of project development, something like Log4j, SVN, Maven, JUnit, okay, Jasper reports. Like this, nearly 8 to 10 tools are there. You have to learn. They are very small tools. Okay, you have to learn them when you are showing experience. Along with that, design patterns concept is there. It talks about how best we can use. It talks about how best we can use software technologies in project development. How best we can write the code by using programming languages, technologies and framework as part of project development. So these are the things that you have to plan before you put your profile in the market. But let me say one thing, in your profile you should not use the terms called core Java, advanced Java. Why? Because they are not official. You should always use Java, programming language Java. JSC technologies, there you have to write JDBC JNDI, RMI kind of thing. JWE technologies, as part of that you have to write servlet, JSP, EaseAB, JMS, Java Mail, like this multiple concepts are there. When it comes to frameworks, what is that? Frameworks. And you should write Struts, Spring, Hibernate. This kind of frameworks you have to write. Nowadays Struts is outdated here. Now not even one company is using Struts to develop the new projects. Maybe it is there only in maintenance projects, but very soon they will stop using Struts kind of thing. So don't put your efforts on Struts. Instead of that, spend more time on Spring, Hibernate, and web services kind of thing. Right. Now question is, how exactly we can build your career in Java? In Java, we can build your career in 5 areas. In what? 5 areas. Number 1, learn Java language, Java technology, Java frameworks. I mean to say core Java, advanced Java, Spring, Hibernate, this kind of frameworks, and get into the industry. This is option number 1. Out of 100 jobs that are there in Java, 65% jobs are available in this particular option 1. Option number 2, learn core and advanced Java, learn Android kind of framework, okay, and become mobile application developer. I mean to say Android developer. That is option number 2. Out of 100 jobs, you can find 10 jobs in this area, 10 to 15 jobs in this area, no doubt in that. Option number 3, learn core and advanced Java. Okay, there are some servers in Java environment, WebLogic server, WebSphere server, JBoss server, and you can learn these servers administration. You can learn these servers administration and you can become server administrator. This is option number 3. In this one, 5 jobs are there. Out of 100 jobs, you can see 5 jobs. Next, option number 4, learn core and advanced Java, learn big data Hadoop. Big data Hadoop. You have to seriously think about learning what? Big data Hadoop. Because nowadays big data analyzation, big data analytics is really ruling the market. Okay, big data means like the data that is behind our thinking capacity, processing capacity is called as what? Big data. And to process such a huge amount of data in a normal computers, we have got one framework, Java based framework called what? Hadoop kind of thing. So that's why option number 4 is what? Learn core Java, advanced Java, learn what? Hadoop kind of big data framework and become big data programmer. Next one, option number 5, learn core Java, advanced Java, and learn cloud computing software, cloud computing related Salesforce. What is that? Salesforce. And you can become cloud developer. You can become what? Cloud developer. It's something like this. In this video, I cannot speak much about cloud computing, but I can give brief idea. Something like this. We'll be having dumb system. That means basic systems, dumb terminals, not dedicated high-end machines kind of thing. But someone will maintain entire hardware and software setup that is required for our project development. From your dumb system, you will connect to what? Those high-end system maintained by Salesforce people or Amazon people or someone else, and there you develop the application, there you execute the application. Once everything is over, you will integrate them and you will deliver to client. That means even though you are not having great infrastructure, especially system configuration, computer configuration, you can still develop the application by using what? Cloud environment, okay, because they will provide software setup, hardware setup that is required for your project development. And so that if you want to start a company, you need not to think about high-end configuration based systems. So that is a separate process. To use that environment, separate process is there. In that one, compared to Amazon cloud, Salesforce cloud is really doing well. Okay, so that's why learn core Java, advanced Java, and try to learn Salesforce kind of cloud computing software or tool, and become cloud developer. So these are the opportunities that are there in Java. No doubt here, as on today in the market, Java is really doing well, and by the year 2025, so many other wings are going to come to for this Java. That means Java utilization is going to take place in multiple other places. So that's why, okay, you can happily trust Java, you can happily build your Java, build your career in Java, not short-term career, even in fact long-term career you can build, right? So this is about JME module and various other job opportunities that are there in Java domain. So thank you. I hope you got benefited with this video. If you got any further doubts, you can contact me to my email ID, that is nataraj@gmail.com. Okay, thank you.